While you were assuming the AI company handling your secrets knew what a tie NV file is, Braintrust was just collecting your AWS and Stripe API keys. Not as master keys to your kingdom, just data. Now, they're gone. Braintrust, the AI evaluation startup that just hit an $800 million valuation, confirmed unauthorized access to one of their AWS accounts. This wasn't some minor config. This was a full-blown breach. May 6th, 26. Mark that date. The damage, your customer secrets. Specifically, the API keys that unlock cloud AI models, Stripe, and Notion. Sitting right there in their compromised AWS account. API keys aren't passwords. These are the keys to the kingdom. They bypass security checks. They grant direct access to production, your AI workloads, your customer data, the whole damn thing. Someone with your Stripe API key isn't just looking at transactions, they're making them. Someone with your Notion key isn't just reading internal docs, they're rewriting your company's knowledge base. Braintrust CEO Ankur Goyal bragged his platform was an operating system for engineers building AI software. Guess what? The operating system just got rooted. Your AI brain just got lobotomized. Their official story? An email to customers, out of an abundance of caution. Translation: we have no clue how bad this is, so assume the worst and do our cleanup. They told every customer to rotate API keys, not some, not potentially affected. Every single one. That's not a precaution. That's a panic-induced system reboot from a company that just lost control. You raised $80 million in Series B. You're valued at $800 million. And you couldn't secure a single AWS account holding the keys to your customer's entire AI stack? This isn't some isolated incident. CircleCI got hit with a similar cloud breach in 23, forcing mass key rotations. The European Commission lost 92 gigs from its AWS account. The pattern is obvious. Hackers hit cloud services. They steal API keys. They log in as legitimate users because you handed over the keys to your kingdom to a vendor who left them lying around. AI just creates new attack surfaces. Cloud security failures amplify. Your whole operation, from AI models to customer data, is only as secure as the weakest link in your supply chain. Braintrust is supposed to help companies monitor AI models. They couldn't even monitor their own damn AWS account. You paid them to be the watchman. The watchman fell asleep with your keys in his pocket. Now your engineers are stuck on a weekend rotation, untangling security nightmares and praying their AI models weren't poisoned. All because Braintrust fumbled the ball on cloud security. I watch you build and I know exactly where it ends. Hit subscribe if you'd rather know before it happens to you. I'm the Godfather. Braintrust's AI operating system is now running for someone else. And you're just along for the ride.